and welcome to our channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Hi and thank you. And ngayon ay nandito tayo para gumawa ulit ng isang made simple recipe. And for today's recipe, we are going to make no-bake blueberry cheesecake. For this recipe, a quick shout out to Ate Connie. This is your requested recipe. And also a shout out to Becoming Ungas of San Pedro Laguna. Thank you very much. And I hope you have a great day. For the ingredients, first is for the crust, we have 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Para naman sa filling, which is the cheesecake base, we have 2 tablespoons of gelatin, which is clear and unflavored. So itutunaw natin siya sa 1/2 cup of hot water. We have a cup of sour cream, or kung makakita kayo sa grocery, ito yung sour cream. So, isang tub nito. And we also have 1 cup of all-purpose cream and 2 bars of cream cheese. We also have 1/3 cup of white sugar. And for the topping, blueberry is 1 can of blueberry pie filling. Kung hindi nyo naman gusto blueberry, you can opt to use other fillings which is readily available in any supermarket. Or if you want, you can only have the plain cheesecake. So first, we are going to make the crust. So this is the graham cracker crust. We are going to add the 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Okay? So we're just going to pour that here. So napakadali nitong recipe na to. And after, you can use this sa kahit anong lalagyanan. But for our recipe, we use a cheesecake pan. So I already lined it with foil. Kinombine na natin itong graham, melted butter, and sugar. Ayan. So, incorporate lang natin na dapat lahat ng graham crumbs ay may butter. Para pag pinrest natin siya sa pan, is magbuo siya. Kumbaga, it would stick together. Ngayon, lalagay natin siya ngayon sa pan. Just going to spread this. So ngayon, para mabuo itong crust natin, is kailangan natin i-press down sa pan. Just make sure na pantay para hindi makakapal yung isang side. Okay? We have our crust and we are going to set it aside. So ngayon, tinabi na natin muna yung crust, set it aside, and we are going to first dissolve our gelatin. So, 2 tablespoons, mga 1 sachet. So, we are going to measure a 1/2 cup of hot water para ma-dissolve yung gelatin. Okay. 1/2 cup. We have a 1/2 cup of hot water. And, tingnan natin itong gelatin. And, itong fork para ma-dissolve. So, habang, yan. Okay. There you go. So, just make sure na ma-dissolve natin itong gelatin. We have 2 bars of cheesecake. We have 2 bars of cream cheese. Ilalagay natin sa mixer. And lalagay natin itong Ay, yung gelatin pala i-set aside muna natin. Mimix muna natin tong cream cheese and then 1 cup of all-purpose cream. Actually, kung gusto nyo, you can also use a cup of heavy cream. Pwede yun. Pero, para dun sa mas cheaper alternative, ito ang all-purpose cream. And itong we are going to add also the sour cream. Okay. So i-mix muna natin to. Okay. So while that's mixing is nakita nyo medyo luminis ng ating workplace. Medyo nagligpit-ligpit muna ako para may bawas-bawas na yung ligpitin mamaya, di ba? So, ayun. So, nag-mix na siya. And hintayin lang natin na mawala yung mga lumps ng cream cheese. So, mas maganda kung very smooth yung batter. So, habang nag-mix siya, gradually, we are going to add 1/3 cup of white sugar. Medyo i-increase natin yung speed niya. So once na nag-mix na siya well enough and wala na yung mga lumps sa cream cheese, pwede na natin ilagay yung gelatin na dinisolve natin kanina. And ito ang recipe na hindi natin agad-agad pwedeng kainin because recommended para fully set na siya is you chill the cheesecake overnight sa ref. Pero may iba, hindi ko pa na-try pero mga estimated mga 4 hours pwede na kasi may gelatin naman. Lalo na kung you need it the same day, pwede nyo gawin ng morning tapos i-serve nyo sa gabi. But for us now is chill. Pag after nitong i-mix, pour natin siya dun sa crust na ginawa natin kanina and then we are going to chill it overnight. And tomorrow, pag inalisan natin siya sa pan, tsaka ko palang ilalagay yung blueberry filling. Then you can serve it na. So, yun. So, medyo malapit na siya, medyo may konting lumps pa ng cream cheese. Kaya very important na yung cream cheese nyo is in room temp. So 2 bars of cream cheese na maliit. Kapag ang nabili nyo is yung 1 kilo na bloke, actually, yun yung nabili ko, yung malaki. Ito yung nabili ko kasi walang available. And ginamit ko dito is yung kalahati. And then habang nag-mix to is we are going gradually add din yung gelatin. So mapapansin nyo pag nilagay yung gelatin, yung batter is magiging watery, magiging thin. So okay lang yun kasi isa-set pa natin siya, chill pa natin siya overnight. Okay lang yun. So yan, okay na siya. Pwede na natin siyang gawin. Okay, yan. So ngayon, ipupour na lang natin itong cream cheese sa side. Siguraduhin nyo na simot para walang sayang. Dahil, sa totoo lang, mahal talaga yung cheesecake. Yung sa ingredients pa lang, mahal yung cream cheese, mahal ang sour cream. So, ang mura lang is yung Graham, yung all-purpose cream. Mahal tong topping. So, dapat ay simot na simot. See? Okay. Sorry. Ito na yung cheesecake natin. So, chill overnight. And tomorrow, lalagyan na natin ng toppings and makakain na natin siya. So, maraming salamat sa lahat na nanonood. at nag-subscribe sa channel namin. Thank you very much. And sobrang overwhelming yung naging support nyo these past few weeks. So thank you very much from me and hubby. And hope you enjoyed the recipe and I hope you try it out. Feel free to comment and suggest below. Rest assured po lahat ng comments nyo ay binabasa namin and we will do our best to reply. So thank you very much and until our next vlog, happy baking, happy cooking, and happy eating. Thank you. Bye.